Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually install Gotv and Dstv using just one cable. So you have a cable being laid already and you have to install a satellite dish to get the Dstv signal and an antenna to get a Gotv signal, and you have to pass it through just one cable onto the receiving end to actually connect it to both the Dstv and the Gotv respectively. So in this case you need a tool that will allow you to actually combine those two signal cables onto just one cable, and then you lay it onto the receiving end. So you need a tool called a signal combiner or a diplacer to allow you to get both satellite and an antenna signal onto just one cable. So on a combiner we have an antenna port and then a satellite port. The antenna port is for receiving the antenna signal, and then the satellite port over here to receive the satellite signal from your satellite dish or the LNB. And we have receiving and giving ports, so these ports can receive and also give out the signal at the same time. So all you got to do is to connect the cable from your antenna, which is getting you a signal for your Gotv. Then you connect it onto the antenna port of the diplacer or the signal combiner. And then the cable from your LNB, whether it's smart LNB or any universal LNB, comes to the satellite side of the diplacer. So after that, then you connect the cable that you have already laid in the building over here. Alright, so that cable comes here. And at the receiving end, at the end of that cable where you need to get your signal, you need to add another signal combiner or a diplacer over there. So you need two diplacers for this type of installation. You connect the receiving or the giving ports over here. And then the antenna side goes to your Gotv decoder. Decoder 2 decoder over here. The RF input. And then the satellite side goes to your Dstv decoder, and you're gonna get a signal working perfectly right there. So from your satellite dish and the antenna onto the first diplacer, then you connect the cable that you have already laid in the building. Then you connect another diplacer at the receiving end to actually split the signal to each receiver respectively, the Gotv and then the Dstv, and you are good to go. So this same will apply to whether a digital channel or a satellite channel. You want to get both of them. This is how you have to do the connection to get both signal using just one cable. So that's it. If you find this video helpful when you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon, and keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.